maths class, and today we'll do patterns in mathematics. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about the patterns of number, visualizing number sequence, relation among number sequence and patterns of shapes. Start with the introduction. We see different type of patterns in our surrounding. हम अपने आसपास बहुत तरीके के पैटर्न देखते हैं, such as animals में जैसे कि stripes on zebra, spots on giraffe, stripes on tiger, flowers में देखते हैं, leaves में देखते हैं, sun के motion का एक पैटर्न होता है, moon का, star का, हर किसी चीज़ का अपना एक पैटर्न है. They occur in everything when we do and see. From shopping to working and throwing the ball and playing games to understanding whether the patterns and using technology. The search of patterns and their application can be fun and creative endeavor. It is for this reason that mathematician both an art and science. This year, we hope that you will get a chance to see the creativity and artistry involved in discovering and understanding mathematical pattern. It is important to keep in mind that the mathematics aim not just to find out what pattern exists, but also to explain for why they exist. क्यों exist करता है, ये कैसे हो रहा है. Such explanation can often then be used for the application which beyond the context in which they are discovered, which can then help to propel humanity forward. First हम करेंगे pattern in numbers. In mathematics, number patterns are the pattern in which the list numbers that follow the certain sequence. Generally, the pattern establish the relationship between the numbers. It is also known as the sequence and series of number. Let us take the simple example to understand the principle behind the number pattern. For example, consider the given sequence 12, 19, 26, 33, 40 and so on. So, पहले हम देखेंगे कि क्या relationship है, क्या pattern follow हो रहा है. So 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 7, 26, 26 plus 7, 33, 33 plus 7, 40. So every time we are adding 7 to the previous number, we'll get the next number. So that is the pattern following here. Number sequence. Number sequence are the most basic and among the most fascinating type of pattern that mathematically study. Some example of the number sequence: 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28 triangular numbers हैं, 1, 1, 1, all ones, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 odd numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8 even numbers. So एक pattern follow हो रहा है, एक sequence में चल रहे हैं. Next is evolution time 11.1. Identify the following sequence and write the three terms: 1, 3, 9, 27. So 1 into 3, 3, 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27, 27 into 3, 81, फिर 81 को आप 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, like this you will write. Next is visualizing number sequence. Many number sequence can be visualized using picture. Visualizing mathematical objects through pictures, diagrams can be very fruitful way to understand mathematical patterns and concepts. Each whole number with a set of dots are arranging these dots in some elementary shapes to find out the number pattern. Some patterns are given below. Line. So every numbers can be arranged in line. Here you can see counting numbers को हम line में arrange कर सकते हैं. Clear? Whether it's odd numbers or even number. Odd number को हम इस तरीके से कर सकते हैं, even number को हम इस तरीके से line में arrange कर सकते हैं. Clear? Triangular pattern. Some numbers can be arranged in triangular pattern like 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. इस तरीके से हम triangular pattern में arrange कर सकते हैं. Square. Some number can be arranged in square pattern like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. इसको हम square pattern में arrange कर सकते हैं. Cube. Some numbers can be arranged in cubical pattern like 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. इनको हम cube की pattern में arrange कर सकते हैं. Next is evolution time 11.2. Why are 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 called triangular number? Because we can arrange these number in triangular pattern. 1, 4, 9, 16 को हम square number कहते हैं because हम इसको square की form में arrange कर सकते हैं. 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 are called cube because we can arrange these numbers in cubical pattern. Clear? Next is relationship among number sequence. Sometimes number sequence can be related to each other in surprising way. Example लेते हैं. What happened when we start adding up odd numbers? So 1 plus 3, 1 में next odd number add किया, will get 4. 1 plus 3 plus 5 that is 9, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 that is 16. So हम देख रहे हैं कि consecutive odd numbers को हम ऐड कर रहे हैं, we'll get a square number. 1 plus 3 4, square number 1 plus 3 plus 5 9, 9 is a square number. Clear? So this is really beautiful pattern. Next, a picture can explain it. Visualizing with the picture can help to explain the phenomenon. Recall the square numbers are made by counting the numbers of dots in a square grid. For example, we will partition these dots in the square grid onto the odd numbers. Like हमने देखा था 1 plus 3 plus 5 इस तरीके से हम कर रहे थे. So 1 plus 3 5 7 इस तरीके से हम इनको अरेंज कर सकते हैं. So ये किस फॉर्म में हो रहा है? स्क्वायर फॉर्म में. This picture now makes the evident that 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 that is 16. 16 is a square number because such a picture can be made for square of any size. This explains why adding up to odd numbers will get square numbers. Next is pattern of shapes. Shape pattern are any set of polygon, 3D shapes, letter हो सकते हैं, symbols हो सकते हैं that follow non-operational rules. They are repeating shapes, patterns and growing state patterns. Shape patterns that mathematicians study show the few keep shape sequence that are studied in mathematics. Example लेते हैं, like regular polygon shapes हैं, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, depending on the number of sides. A repeating pattern has the core that repeat over again, means बार बार जो repeat हो रहा है. For example, here you can see this shape, then this, then this. तो एक repeat हो रहा है, pattern जो हो रहे हैं, core pattern repeat हो रहे हैं. So this will make a shape pattern. The core can be used to extend the pattern. The next shape in the pattern would be the square, because the last part of the core was this. तो इसके बाद ये वाला pattern repeat होगा. Clear? Now, next is evolution time 11.3. Identify the following patterns and draw 3 more. So triangle, square, circle. Again, triangle, square and circle. Clear? Next, complete the pattern. So इस तरीके से pattern जो है repeat हो रहा है. Clear? Next, look back. Mathematics may be viewed as search of the pattern for the explanation as to why those patterns exist. Among the most basic patterns that occur in mathematics are the number sequence. We see a lot of pattern in our surroundings such as animal, flowers, leaves. इन सब पे हम अलग अलग तरीके के patterns देखते हैं. Sometimes number sequence can be related to each other in a beautiful and remarkable way. For example, adding up the sequence of odd numbers starting from the 1 give the square number. Visualizing number sequence using the picture can help to understand the sequence and the relationship between them. Shape sequence are another basic type of the pattern and mathematics. Some important example of shape sequence include the regular polygons, complete graphs, stacks, triangles and square. Next is mental zone. What will be the next shape in the pattern? So you can see 2 square then circle, 2 square circle, now 2 square. Clear? Next, multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. 2 rows and 4 columns dot show the rectangle. So यहाँ पे हमारा चैप्टर एंड होता है. आई होप चैप्टर आपको समझ में आ गया है. नाउ टू प्रैक्टिस इट.